In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job in Jobber. Whether you're new to Jobber or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. Let's dive in by opening your preferred web browser. Start by typing Jobber into the search bar and hit Enter. This will bring up the Jobber homepage as the top result. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login or Sign Up option. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and sign in. If you're new to Jobber, you'll need to quickly set up an account by clicking Sign Up and following the prompted instructions. Logging in or signing up is your first foundational step, linking you to the suite of tools and resources available in Jobber. After successfully logging in, your next move is to navigate to the Jobs section. You'll find this typically located on the main dashboard interface. Click on this section to enter the Jobs Management area. Look for the option called New Job and click it. This is your gateway to start creating a new task or project that you'll be managing through Jobber. Next, focus on selecting a client. You'll need to click on Client Name to either choose an existing client from your list or create a new client if this is a fresh contact. This step is crucial because it links the job to a specific client in your Jobber database, centralizing all related documents and communication. Now let's talk about adding job details. Here, you'll be asked to enter several pieces of information. Start with the title field, where you can enter a short, precise description of the job. This internal note helps keep your records clear. Then, in the instructions field, you have the opportunity to add detailed directions for your team. These details will be visible on each job visit and provide clarity to your crew about what needs to be done. If you need to give the job a specific reference, you can alter the default job number to fit your project tracking needs. Scheduling is the next step. Set the date and time for this job. This is when you decide when the job needs to be done. Make sure the date fits both your timeline and the client's availability for seamless execution and client satisfaction. After settling on the timing, you need to assign the job to team members. Select the workers responsible for carrying out the job tasks. Clear assignment leads to accountability and ensures that everyone knows their role in completing the job. Once you have double-checked all entries and you're satisfied with the setup, your final action is to click Save Job. With this step, your job is officially logged into the system and ready to be tracked and managed. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a job in Jobber. Follow these steps each time you need to create a new job, and you'll master managing work seamlessly in your Jobber dashboard. See you next time.